Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn about advanced filter option. This option is used to filter the data based on one or more complex criteria. If you want to learn how to use sort and filter option, how to sort and filter different type of data, how to customize the sorting option, how we can filter multiple columns, then watch my video on YouTube. But with the regular filter option, we can't filter the data based on two or more complex criteria. Now for advanced feature, make sure there is no blank row in the dataset. The first use of advanced filter is to show the unique data or to copy the unique data in the different location. Now I have a dataset in which the duplicate records are highlighted. Now to get the unique records, click on any cell in the dataset, go to the data tab, and under sort and filter group, click on advanced. Now by default, filter the list in place is selected. List range is automatically show the complete dataset. Keep the criteria range blank. Select the unique records only and press OK button. Now the dataset is showing only the unique records. Now to copy the unique data in different location, again click on any cell in the dataset, go to the data tab, click on advanced. Now select copy to another location, keep the criteria range blank, and in copy to, select any cell where you want to copy the data. Select unique records only checkbox and click OK. Now it will copy the unique records at a different location. To filter the data based on two or more criteria, there are four steps. We already have a data set on which we will apply the filter. Now in first step, we will set up the criteria range. Copy the heading of the data and paste at a different location in the sheet. So I'm copying the header from K to Q column. Now this is the area where we will specify our criteria to filter the data. Now in second step, copy those headings which you want to show in the filter data. So I'm copying category, total cost and priority where we want to show the filtered data. Now in step 3, we will define the criteria. If we want to filter the data where category is fruit and priority is high, then in criteria range below category, type fruits, and under priority column, type high. Remember, when we type the condition in the same row, AND logic will apply between them. If the condition is in a different row, OR logic will apply between the conditions. Now in fourth step, we will filter the data. So select any cell in the data set, go to the data tab. Under sort and filter, click on advanced. The list range is already selected. Select copy to another location. In criteria range, select the heading and the criteria. In copy to field, select the columns which we want to show in the filter data and click OK. Now the data is showing where category is fruit and priority is high. In another example, we want to show the data where category is fruit or category is ice cream. So now we have OR logic between the criteria or condition. I have already copied the heading part for the criteria range and to display the filtered data. Now as per the criteria, under category type fruits, and the second condition is category is ice cream or logic is applied, so we have to type ice cream in another. To show the data, click on any cell, go to data tab, and under sort and filter group, click on advanced. The data set is already selected. Select copy to another location. In the criteria range, select the all the columns with the criteria we have mentioned, and in copy to, select the columns which you want to show in the filter data. Click OK. The filter data is showing where category is fruit or ice cream. In another example, we want to show data where category is computer or category is fruit and priority is high. The first condition is category is computers, and the second condition is category is fruits and priority is high. Now between category fruits and priority there is AND logic, so we will type fruits and priority is high in the same row. So fruits and high are in the same row, and in between these two there is OR logic, so both are in a different row. Now to get the filtered data based on the specified condition, select any cell, go to Data tab, under Sort and Filter group, click on Advanced, click Copy to another location. In Criteria range, select the criteria, and in Copy to, select the headings which you want to show in the filtered data and click OK. Now you can see that the filtered data is showing where the category is computer or fruits where priority is high. Now, next example, the first criteria is category is computers and inventory is less than 5 because AND logic is used in between the two conditions. So, we'll mention these two in a single row. Below category, type computers, and in the same row below inventory, type less than 5. The second condition is category is fruits. So below category column, type fruits and priority is high. So high we will type in the same row. Now condition is set up. Click on any cell in the dataset. Go to Data tab. Under Sort and Filter group, click on Advanced. Select Copy to another location. In the criteria range, select the criteria which you have mentioned. In Copy to, select the columns which you want to show in the filter data and click OK. Now it is showing the data where category is computers and inventory is less than 5, or category is fruits and priority is high. In the next condition, there are three criterias, and in between the criterias, all logic is used. So we will mention all the three criterias in a different row. So the first category is computers, so we'll type computers below category column. In the next row, we will type date is greater than 1st March 2020 and total cost is greater than 10,000. So below total cost, type greater than 10,000. To show the data, click on any cell, go to Data tab, under Sort and Filter group, click on Advanced, select Copy to another location. In criteria range, select the categories which we have defined. In Copy to, select the columns which we want to show in the filter data and click OK. Now the filter data is showing where category is computers or date is greater than 1st March 2020 or total cost is greater than 10,000. In another example, we want to show the data where category is starting from S, inventory is less than or equals to 10, and priority is medium. AND logic is used between all the three conditions. So below category column, type S star. The next condition is inventory is less than or equals to 10. So below inventory column, we will type less than equals to 10 and type medium below priority column because AND logic is used between the three conditions. So we have written all the three conditions in the same row. Now to show the filter data based on this criteria, select any cell in the dataset, go to Data tab, under Sort and Filter group, click on Advanced. In Advanced Filter box, select Copy to another location. In criteria range, select the criteria we have mentioned, and in Copy to, select the columns which we want to highlight. Click OK, and no row is displayed because for category stationery, there is no data where inventory is less than 10 and priority is medium. All the three condition is not matching, hence no data is displayed. Now I am changing the priority to low and we will apply the filter again. Click on any cell in the dataset, go to Data tab, click on Advanced, select Copy to another location. In criteria range, select the criteria mentioned again and in Copy to, it is already selected, click OK, and now it is showing the categories which is starting from S where inventory is less than 10 and the priority is low. So all the three condition is matching, hence the record is displayed. In this video, we have learned how to use advanced filter option so that we can use complex criteria to filter the data. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback, queries, suggestion in the comment section. Thank you.